Hi, welcome. In this video, we want to solve 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 all over 3. Now, to solve this kind of expression, step 1, you have to know the rule for repeated division. Now, division is evaluated from left to right. So, when you have multiple division like this, you have to go from left to right because they have the same precedence from this whole expression. So, let us divide the numerator first from left to right. So we are going to have 6 divided by 6 first. This 2 from the left first is what we are going to divide. So we are going from left to right. So 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. We divide it 1 divided by 6 all over 3. Now for 1 divided by 6 it is the same as 1 over 6. Now let us rewrite this expression. So it will be 1 over 6 divided by 3. Now let us also rewrite 1 over 6 divided by 3 as 1 over 6 divided by 3 over 1. Now 1 here does not change anything. 3 over 1 is the same as 3. To solve this division we follow KCF rule. K stands for keep. C stands for change. F stands for flip. Now according to KCF rule, keep the first fraction as it is. Change division into multiplication. And flip the second fraction. We are going to take the denominator up and we are going to bring the numerator down. So it becomes 1 over 3. We will now have 1 over 6 times 1 over 3. Now first we multiply numerator 1 times 1 equals to 1. Then we multiply denominator 6 times 3 equals to 18. So this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.